Shembe.
Uslima thanda piano.
Finish. Oh. Baba yeka indlwabu baba.
Molweni bafethu, I hope everybody is doing great. If you are seeing me for the first time, Kamalam Dung Amani, and I'm bringing you the best local content. So if you haven't subscribed by now, we are pause. You're missing out, so make sure that you do subscribe. So Maskamoshi isikhathi, let's see what we have today.
Inkosi impela kushuthi bengizofuna itoho phela la ekhaya mina. Tell me more about yourself. Seku-interview phela ongenzisa yona wena. Kodwa kulungileke dali ngoba vele usuthe. Alright. Number 1, angizwani nesilungu. Hayi ukuthi angisazi, angisifuni nje. Abantu abamnyama abakhuluma isilungu behleli bodwa noma ngabe angibazi ngiyabenyanya nje. Umuntu angakhuluma into yakhe. Na umvenda khuluma isivenda sakini noma ngingasazi isivenda kulungile kungcono undavaze bona bomasheloni lapho. Number 2, nginesikhwele. Umuntu wami akathintwa umunye umfana. Noma ngabe nazana kudala kade nagcinana fuseke. Owami udala uthintwa yimi kuphela. Noma uma wakhe. Ngalinge nje uvumela umfana ukuthi azokugona la. Ah baby, it's just a hug. Fuseke. Deshe thol. Ngakushiya lapha endaweni esigameko mina. Uthi na uqala uxebuka nje kulelo khonde lelo haga kulona lapha unjomana akasekho. Usuyilento ekuthiwa u-ex-girlfriend. Number 3, intombazane ethi na iclean endlini washa izitsha ishiya amabhodo ngiyayenyanya. Ngiyenyanya to the full force and appetite kaYan van Liebig. Ayihlanzeke intombi. Ake ngibambe lapho kwami.
Ywanjo man, pause. Ngilenzani inkosi madoda?
Hello. Inkomo lezi.
Maya Ngwele. Uye esikoleni Ngwele udlu Brentwood. Yini dala udlu Brentwood esikoleni Ngwele? Habe Shembe buka idle nekhathi inkulu malanga.
Libinga.
Maya hayi man. Ithathapi. Jonga main. Kanti ngithengisela lokati. Yini nansi? Serious zokala nansi. Nansi zokala. Ithathapi kanti. Ithathapi man. Suka shop. Ithathapi kanti ngoku. Yini man? Hayi mina yeke ndadlala.
I've oleda la khala at the back. Ay anifuni ikati hapa.
Uvele shop.
Tengisa ikati. Hayi mazita.
Nazonke. Awushoti. Awushoti.
I hope iChiefs ibukele. Yayinita la player.
Isa social media ngwara haona lantsman ya o fara ground. O ra re na re boima ka baka lao. Oh mo. O motho ko bana.
Against what? Wa go motho mo lo ka no trendisa mara
mara o ka se tshware ground.
trendisa go bontsho le nna ke to dia ene.
A una ntro to idiana.
O ka tshwana tsa yula nena lo wena.
Yo kuphi apha guys? Kuselimpompo. Where's the grass?
Sharp man. Sharp wena.
What did you say is the sexiest language in SA?
Oh man, in SA, I ain't gonna lie, man. When I hear that class of people talking Latin, I ain't gonna hold you though. Them classes Latin, get my dick hot. I ain't gonna hold you.
Yeah.
Xhosa. I was not expecting that because abantu abaninzi bayathanda ubhesha isiXhosa, so I was not expecting that. I think maybe, I don't know if Iswati mos is fully under South Africa, but eyona language engathi sexy leya. But let me know what you think. Which language is the sexiest language in South Africa? I'd rather go back to the mountain than yodlala i-PS5 upha e-hospital. No way.
tlohela sekgowa mkhulu
Ipele sekgowa.
ya sekgowa wa tla se tlohelenyana sekgowa tlohela sekgowa mkhulu
Nah, ke tlwele sekgowa, ke kgawane le sekgowa.
ga ona le sekgowa
Yeah. What do you do?
o boetse ko sekgweng hape street
Oh,
Ka le
okay.
Sefika
Ke-
botsa.
sorry. Okay.
Eh.
O dira eng for live for phela?
no
Face kanti ubani lona wathi bethu mawugeza inakhunjana after inakhunjana izophuma ngeke uyithole inakhunjana ngoba hayi bangibuka kahle mina into hayi lo muntu ayicabanga lento nje hayi ngeke mana hayi.
Did you hear that?
Don't
What's the
run.
title of the
Murife,
song?
Murife, don't run. Hey, Murife, don't run.
Did you hear that? It eats juice. It eats juice. Watch that. Watch that. Juice. Umunqela le expected one.
Uyakuthanda ukuba igwamu wena. Uyithatha phi le ngoku?
ANC and EFF at the same time. Madal. The way Kaizer Chiefs fans are celebrating the loss of Mamelodi Sundowns, you would swear bangaba obawinileyo. I don't know, somehow I thought South Africans would be united behind the Mamelodi Sundowns. But it was a different case.
Please critique.
I like Kenki, but rapper too much.
Yeah, but
All those metaphors won't pay the bills.
how did you feel when you saw that?
I'm most tired of people that have undercooked opinions.
There's no money there.
Niggas don't give themselves time to understand what you're doing.
All you get is the it's a weird lucky stan, pop.
I feel like MC was not tapped in.
That's crazy.
I must say that in Vumelana no MT. But if you disagree, let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed that video, make sure that you do subscribe and I'll see you on the next one. Sure.